Nazia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Who are new to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing, and who are already following, thank you so much. I love you so much. Thank you for all your love and support. So yes, this is the second week the bandage has done. I am fine. Just want to give you information. I'm fine. Trying to be positive, not to go into the depression and whatever. So a little tired with this one hand, using one hand for everything. But anyway, my mother is there who is helping me out, so you don't need to worry about it. I'll keep you update on that. So as I mentioned last week, last vlog which I have told how I have went with this accident, everything. In this vlog I told you that I have a Nika products which I really want to do a vlog. So I am going to do Nika vlog part 1 and part 2. So this is the part 1 which I'm doing right now. Before giving all this information, let me tell you that there is a lot of sale is going on, Independence sale. So happy 80th Independence Day to all my viewers, all my independence people, and as well as happy Liberation Day for the South Korea. So who are the armies following it? So it's August 15th. For them it's a Liberation Day, and for us it's Independence Day. So Jai Hind. So now the vlog is all about Nika haul. So I really want to tell, the first part is a new product which I have bought and I want to try it out, and the second part is that which is a repeated order which I already got it, so I want to restock it. So that's the second part. So this is the first part which will be released by this week. I think it's already got released date, and the second will be the next week because it's a huge product. It's almost like 12 to 13k of investment, as because the sale is going on. So definitely I need to do in two parts rather than in one part. So before going into the vlog, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, do follow my Instagram page, and like, share and comment. So let's go. So these are the all products which I have got. So I have separated which are restocking, and the some of them are new inventions. So let me open one by one and show you what are the products I got. See, I have paid the prices right now in the Freedom Sale, Independence Freedom Day. There will be a less more. I think there is a more discount compared to my prices, so it will vary here and there. So definitely I'm not gonna tell the price, but you can check it out in the websites where you can get a lot of offers. Let me dump all this product in front of me because it's only one hand right now for me to show you the products. So I have to dump everything on my floor and show you one by one rather than taking like this. So let me dump it and show you the products. Okay, so the first product I really want to start with this brand called Asaya. So Asaya, this is the I mean like a even tone underarm mist. I have heard so many feeds on my Instagram. I'm getting it about this product for the underarms. So I really want to try, but right now I can't try because of this one hand fracture. But definitely I'll start using and let you know the review of this very soon, within 2-3 weeks how it will show. But this is really a very good, I heard, and it is an anti-odor complex also. So this costed me around 500, but I got in discount. So I don't know how much I got in the discount, but I have ordered all together. So that is the reason the prices may vary, but you can go and check out in the Nika. And this is the mist I got it. I mean, not mist, tone mist something. So in that same brand, Asaya, I got advanced spot treatment serum because I have a little dark acne marks on my face from very long time marks. It taking time to go faded out. So many people said that this is like, many influencers I saw that they have been ordered this one. So I want to try in the small package because it comes around for 1 month, I think, if I use night time. So this costed me around something in a 300 or something. So I want to try this one because it's a targeting serum for a spot advanced version. So I really liked it. And this is the gel, which is a target spotting gel. So this is the serum and this is the gel. So applying serum, after serum I think so I have to apply this gel, which is advanced spot serum. So this is also from the same brand Karasaya. So definitely you need to go and try. This costed me around 4 to 500, I think so. So not 4 to 5 to 600, I think. I am not sure exactly the price because I don't have another hand to open the my Nika list and show you that, but definitely it's cost you around in between 500 to 600. So you can go and check it. This is another product which I got. It is a PAC. makeup brush, flat brush, because I have been using my flat brush, which is called BP Professional, which I got from my friend from USA in 2019. I think so. Yes, in 2019. Since then, I've been using that only. But right now, it is going little. The brush is going little old, so I feel like to buy new one, and I feel like in my budget friendly, this is the PAC 006 flat brush, foundation brush, and it's really so nice. I really liked it, so I really want to try this and see how it is, because it says foundation applicator 006. So it costed me around something price like 600, and I got it in a discount somehow in 500 or something. So this is the brush which I got, and I really like this. So let me see and try how it goes. So there is another product which I really want to try is L'Oreal. Many people are saying this setting spray is really 36 hours non-transfer. So I don't know how exactly is that, because I usually use MAC or Swiss Beauty one non-fixer. So this one is a new investment for me, so I need to try this, and it costed me around 799, but I got in around 600 change or something. So I really want to try this and see how it goes. There's one more PAC product which I really want to try. This is the anti-shining powder mini. It's a mini powder, translucent powder. So I heard, I mean, like many of my makeup artists who are doing with me a photo shoot, they usually use the PAC translucent powder pack one, or else they use some banana powder from the some other brand which I really don't know. I need to check it out what they are using, but I don't need a banana powder because it goes more yellowish on my face. So I tried to use translucent powder, and one of my makeup artists has been used this one, so I felt like to use the small package rather than the big one. So this costed me around 275, and I got in between around 220 or something. So definitely worthy. So I need to try. Let me open and show you this. This is the powder. So it's a very small powder dabba. It's like very small quantity. So 250 में क्या मिलेगा आपको? So obviously this is the, you need to take the patch here, and you can use this one, and it's costed me around 200 or 250 something, which is the price 295. So this is the product which I got. And there is one more product which I really want to try, because I heard this brand is been listening from many places and many reels I have seen. So I feel like to try it. It's natural. It's actually a organic brand, literally a plant based, I think so. So I have heard some of the people like a dermatologist also recommending this. I'm not sure how long it is correct or true. So I really want to try. This is a Radiant Glow Gel Moisturizer. Usually in the winter and rainy season, the gel moisturizer is really good on my face compared to the summer's time. So I felt like I can use thoroughly rainy season and winter season this one, and I really want to try this. And it is around, you cost you around not much price actually. It's a 500 rupees, and you have a lot of, it might look like a small tub, but you have a lot of product inside it. It's a paraben free. Look at this product, how thick it is. I don't think so you need to take so much amount. You can take a little amount and apply on your face. It smells like a orange, literally like a orange, like a superfood, like all type of varieties of fruits inside. I'm really liking this one. Let me try and see how it is, because mostly I might try in the morning times rather than in the night times. So the Vaseline, usually many people are talking about this Vaseline oil, Coco Radiant body oil. I don't know how much has been this for everybody. For me, it is little oily, like it is little sticky on my body. Rather than I use a two oils, which is a Palmer's oil, which I will post the picture here, and there is a caffeine one, which is the body oil. These are the two I mostly use a lot of body oil, these two products. Rather than that, I want to try the new thing, and this is the very new thing for me. I tried once or twice, and it is really little sticky. I think this will good in the winter time if you have a very dry skin. Definitely, if it is your oily skin, acne skin, please, I don't think so you should use it up. But anyway, this is also seriously so good, but it will only affect for my body in the winter time. So this costed me around 799, but I got in the price of 500 change or something. So yeah, good. I tried it because that's why it's over. I tried little bit and see how it goes for 3 days. Then it is really little sticky for me. So definitely it will be good in the winter. So there is a new product which I really want to try. That is Nova. If you see Nova, I use Nova sanitary pads a lot because they are really so good, and I feel like whenever the periods are in a heavy flow, it gets dry and it won't make me irritated for my intimacy area. So definitely in the period time, after period or before period, there will be a little some people will have, because of hormonal issue, a body odor, like your intimacy place will also be odor, like smells bad. So definitely you need to take care on that. I don't think so all the product are all chemical, non-chemical based products. There are some chemical based products only. Definitely we can't ignore it. So this is the Intimacy wash, gentle wash, which is pH balance one. I really want to try because this is actually alcohol free, fragrance free, and also foaming wash. It's like it's a very gentle for your sensitive skin, and I got this for around 500 or something. So I think this dabba long lasts for me at least for 1.5 2 months definitely. So it is really good. I heard a lot of reviews, so let me try and see, because there are a lot of in the markets. I don't want to try those because they are little chemical. It says it's alcohol free and fragrance free. Definitely it's good for sensitives. Or deodorant roll on underarms one. I usually use Chemist or Wishcare. So this is the new investment for me. It's a very new product for my underarm roll on. So definitely I want to try this because it is also has a ceramide and AHS. So it's a toxic free especially. So definitely I want to try and see how it goes. So it's a deodorant roll, which is the new one. I got it, and I got this for around 350 or something. I'm not sure what is the price on this because it's a 50 ml one. Definitely it will be in the price of 300 to 350. There is another new product which I have ordered in the Vaseline. Is one is a lipstick and one is a lip gloss, and these are the no. I think I have seen recently, might be it is in the market from very long time, I'm not sure. This is the Vaseline Gluta High. There is actually 4 to 5 variants in that, and I ordered cherry one, cherry crush, and I really liked it. This is costed me around for 300 to 400, I think. So you have a little, like, if you get like this, so if you see it, yeah. So this costed me around in between 300 to 400, and this is the new investment in the Vaseline right now in my I see. Might be I am the new person, many people know about it. So there is another lipstick which I got. There is a 4 variants in this. This is the Vaseline Emily in Paris, which is a berry biscous. Bisous. Bisous, Bisous, if I'm pronouncing correct. So this is also very good shade. Let me show you the shade. I'll try to show you the shade because one hand is really hard for me to work on it. Wow, this is so good. Actually, it's like a lip gloss. If you see it, I really like this one. It smells nothing. So this also costed me around in between the price 300 to 400, I think. Yes, and it is very good right now. Like, if you see the shade, you have a different shades, you can try it out. There is one more product which I got from Kia Beauty. As I said in an earlier vlog also, I got cushion foundation and a matte finishing matte powder. Now I got it this caramel focus bronzer, which I really required because I want to try. I never tried bronzers literally to cut my face because it's already in the shape. I don't want to make it my face more sharper, but this one is really good, and I really liked it. If you see, it's good on my skin. Exact skin tone color. I can smudge it up, and it is very smooth pencil. But the only problem with this crayon pencil is that where is the sharpener? how should I shop this? I totally don't understand. If you are selling this, please give a sharpener for this. So definitely we want to try it. It is not a roll on or something that I can go it. I don't know how to sharp this one. If I do with a blade, might be it will break. I need to find a sharpener for this, and let me see what can I do, Jugaad. But this is really a very drastic one. They have to think before giving this type of crayons. You have to give the sharpener so that it will be easier job for them like us people to use it. So this is a very good product. I got it for around 5 to 600, I think so. Product which I got from this new invention is a Swiss Beauty Korean Glow facial kit. So this feel like something new to me to try it up, as because these days the going on generation Korean glass skin, Korean face mask, Korean facials and everything, Korean serums, moisturizers, sunscreens. Now they have invented the makeups also, I think so, definitely. So this one is really like felt me like to buy and try it up. Once my hand is done, I'll try this one, and it's costed me around 250 rupees, and I got it in around 210 or 20 something. It will have around 6 steps, glass skin, six steps procedure. So it is enriched with rice water, cocoon plum, reveal unmatched radiant, supremely hydrating product. So let me try and see how it goes. So these are the products which I newly got from Nykaa, which I never used. These are the new products of 2026 for me. So let me try and see how it goes. I hope you like this vlog, and until now staying for this vlog and watching it. Thank you so much for all your love and support. I will come with the Nykaa part 2, which I already got the orders, and those are the restocking orders. So definitely the next vlog will be the restocking of Nykaa haul, and the sale is going on. You should go and check it out, the sale and everything. So until the next time, this is Nazia signing off. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do follow my Instagram page and like, share and comment. So bye.